What'd you think it was?
I thought it was anti-rust, and I was gonna say how ironic.
How ironic.
Yeah, a rusty can of anti-rust.
It's like barely holding on here.
Oh, tetanus.
I think they're capping, bro. They said there's 2 Yaris's in this aisle, and there's only fucking one. I'm so angry right now.
We're gonna have to go complain in the front now.
What the fuck? Ooh. I think something was on fire.
I don't know. I don't know if it was on fire.
How's this even here? What are you salvaging off this?
There's still good parts, man.
That's true.
You could rebuild this.
That's true. Look at the door handle. That's perfect.
Yeah, the handle's fine. But someone out there could rebuild this. Ugh, Jesus.
It looks even worse inside.
Yeah, really?
Yeah, there's a box of Rice Krispies. Who eats that?
That's just... Oh, Jesus Christ. Hope this person's fucking okay.
Is that Listerine?
With the windshield broken like that? Like look, because it's all burnt in the corner? Well, no, I just mean like with the windshield, like how it's destroyed like that. It looks like someone had to break it to get in, so...
Yes. Moment of silence. Alright, that's good enough.
Whoa, relax. Oh no, security's coming.
Cool mint.
Don't throw it away, you can use that.
Yeah, are you saying my breast stings? Well, what is this?
Uh-oh. Looks familiar.
New car Glade. It's not empty. What kind is this? Clean linen.
Ooh,
We'll bring this along, alright? Whenever we find a stinky car. Oh my god, a Golf. With an Instagram. Don't show the Instagram.
Oh, okay.
Don't show the Instagram at all. Just continue. A sock. We gotta spray the sock. And a fork. Who keeps a fork in their trunk?
It's disgusting.
Dude, that stuff, I still smell it. Yeah.
These puppies are nice.
Oh, you like the Elements?
Yeah, the Elements are sick. Look at those seats.
Yeah. Element.
And the sunroof right in the back. Swag.
That is pretty cool. So there should be, I don't know what aisle we're in, but there was one there, so there should be one here somewhere. I like to stay behind the cars. So you get more of a history of them.
Oh, Fiat's back here.
Oh, we already seen this Yaris. So we're 22, 21B. Should be 3 in here. And I only see 2. So they're lying again. Oh no, they're not. I don't think the trunk opens. This person had a kid, typical Mazda 5 owners. with their kids.
Yeah, not enough young single guys buying the...
Yeah. Why aren't young single guys buying Mazda 5s?
I don't know. They need to make them cooler. I don't know.
They definitely need to make them cooler. Or how about they definitely don't need to make them at all?
Disrespect.
What are we looking for next? 23A. No, 22B. I don't know why I'm looking at this pile of crap. What was that?
Rip.
Refreshing. Is this the yards? It is. It doesn't look too promising.
Beautiful.
You need an exhaust?
Yeah, straight pipe.
Holy. I think it's so good.
Check it out. What do you guys think? Should we buy and save it? Nice restoration project.
This is definitely a nice buy and hold. Let's just see that goes. Wrong door.
Ooh.
I almost got wet.
You thought it was funny.
That's not funny. Oh my god, guys, we see a Saab in the wild.
I don't know if you can really consider a graveyard the wild.
Alright, we see a Saab in its natural habitat. There's another one over there. Oh my god.
Oh, sick find.
The old
Quality Benny Cole.
Benny Cole, don't look him up at all. Please don't give him any fucking publication at all.
Publicity.
Oh, damn. Tell me if you see yourself.
Yeah.
Damn, I look good.
Oh, I was just gonna say handsome. Oh, you're
I
back.
really said publication.
I know.
What the fuck is that?
You're a funny guy. You're a humorous guy.
There's another Benny.
There's another Benny-Co car? Jeez.
This one's got the full paint job.
Oh, it really does. You should peel it off for your car.
Laundry stain remover.
It's getting windy over here,
Oh yeah?
so we'll have to stay in between cars.
Okay, okay. Let's fly over to the next car then. There's nothing. There's nothing. There's nothing.
We're back to the chicken car. We're back to the chicken car.
Oh my god, the chicken. So there's supposed to be 3 in this one. I only see 2. I see one over there. It's almost like we're in a scrapyard or something.
Doesn't feel like it. Feels like
You smell that nice breeze? It smells like shit. Like seriously, it smells like someone took a shit in a car. There's an Integra. Okay, it's not an Integra, it's an RSX. Oh, look at this puppy. Look at this puppy. She got the tape on it and everything.
But you know what? For $5, man, you'd be styling.
Yeah, $5. I don't have that money. That's why you guys, you have to like the video, because I don't have $5. So each like equals $1.
I don't know if the ratio works out like that, but eventually.
Nice camshaft. I almost did it. Oopsies. I don't even know where I am anymore. What aisle are we even in? I don't know, but we're in 23 and the next one's in 118, so I think we might have a little hike. Let's stay behind the cars. Doesn't want to stay open. I'm not opening that. I don't have the muscles. I'm weak. I'm a weak guy. See anything nice?
Everything.
Everything, especially this launcher touring. Dude, if I let this go right now,
Well, why wouldn't you just let it go?
Because I don't want to be a disrespectful snob. I respect cars and women.
Oh. I think we just got our first t-shirt.
Cars and women. There's a lot of Civics. A lot of Civics. There's 3 Civics in a row right here.
You want to get a nice shot of you in the Civics?
That's the Civic pose.
Where's your vape?
I don't have one. Where's yours? It's clogged. It's clogged.
Wait, I gave you the wrong one.
Come on.
Oh, sorry. It isn't even on.
No. It's not even on. You fucking think you're sabotaging me,
Just double click it, Lee. You'll see the light flash.
Yeah. It's not on still.
Oh my
You
God.
turn this vape on. Alright. Alright guys, my 2008 Honda Civic. It's the K24. I didn't swap it, that's just what comes in these bitches. It's very ergonomic. I have a gambling problem. Here's way back. More Civics. This turned into the Civic show. Holy, this car is crap.
No, man. You could fix
What
this.
the fuck happened to this? Wait, look at the tires. Those are some good tires right there.
Yeah.
Those are brand new. There's the burnt tires. Dude, there's literally a car over there that's just a frame.
It's not a car, it's a side-by-side.
Oh.
But yeah.
I was like, that could have been a Fiat or something. That's enough for now. Outlandish. Alright, so we're gonna wrap it up here, and like, comment, subscribe, and tell your friends about
MG Auto Works.
yeah,
Share.
share.